Hello everybody. Today we are going to capture one of our clients' account history. You can see currently there are few deals are open in the account and floating is approximately 222. You can see here the live account, and let's jump into the account history. You can see here the profit is around $2,209 and the investment is $12,138, and this client has also taken the withdrawal of $1,124. Approximately this client has made 18 to 19% profit in a month. Let's see when this client has started the trading. Let me maximize this the history tab. Let me scroll up. You can see this client has started the trading 7th of April 2023, and from that day the trading also started. Let me scroll down. You can see the lot size. It has taken very minimum lot size and not higher risks is taken. Right? Let me also show you the withdrawal. This client has taken the withdrawal of 1074 on 1st May 2023 of $1,074. Total profit is $2,209. The performance of our robot is excellent. This may give you the returns between 10,000 to 10% to 45% per month. If you are having any questions related to auto trading software or any other question related to account performance, so you can feel free to contact on our website www.autotradehub.com. I will also give you the link in the description, or you can simply comment below for any more questions. Thank you so much. I'll come up with new account performance history soon. For more updates, you can subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon for notification. Thank you so much.